Okay, so here's what I would do if I was day one into my brand new recruiting business in order to get new leads, client leads, or candidate leads to start building a sustainable pipeline for both clients, recruiting clients, and candidates. Here's what I would do. Here's the system. I talk to many recruiters every week who just get so tied up in what niche they should be in, what tools they should have. I'm going to show you what tools you should have right here for lead generation 100%. Okay. But you have to do the work. You have to do the outreach every day. Don't get sidetracked from that. Don't get caught up with all the different systems and tools that you need for your business. You got to do the work. Here, it's very simple. Here it goes. Okay, so the first thing I would do, I would have Sales Navigator. It's going to cost you about $100 a month. You don't need LinkedIn Recruiter. Stop getting that. It's a fortune. All you need is Navigator. It's cheaper. It has the same database that you would use for LinkedIn Recruiter. Bottom line, guys, LinkedIn is a horrible CRM. You don't want to use this as your CRM. Okay, so you want to use LinkedIn to cast your net to get your leads. So what I would do, for example, is I would have Sales Navigator. I would go ahead and put in my search, for example, project manager warehouse. I would get, I'd whittle this down to a little bit more of a manageable number than 17 million people. And I would start reaching out to these leads. I would first export them to my Liga sheet right here. Because again, LinkedIn is a horrible CRM. This is a great place to manage all my leads. I would set up a webhook where they're automatically coming in every day. When I wake up in the morning, I come to my office and I have highly targeted, hyper-targeted leads served up right to my Liga sheet right here. I would then reach out to these candidates through a one-on-one video directly through LinkedIn, make it personalized, 90% open rates, 30% reply rates, guys. Okay, so this is how you get replies from candidates and clients through one-on-one videos on LinkedIn or through email. Once I get a really good candidate that I screen and talk to, I will then go ahead and develop a page that looks like this for the candidate. I will market this candidate to all of my clients. I will take about 10 minutes to set this up, put in their executive summary, their overview, their accomplishments, a video interview right here, what they're looking to do, where they're located, their compensation desired. And I will market the heck out of this page to a bunch of clients that I will then find in Navigator. I will then shoot a one-on-one video describing the candidate that I have. I will attach that URL that you see right here. And this is called the most placeable candidate strategy. So again, guys, if you are brand new into recruiting and you want to get a head start, a kickstart today, that is a great strategy. Go out, find that candidate, find that baits, that inventory, and market it at scale using Sales Navigator. And then once you do that, we can then talk about having a manageable ATS CRM where you can start nurturing all of your leads back here, storing your candidates with their resumes, and sending out drip campaigns so that you can have all that automation working in the background. Hope that helps.